What to expect from this course? Well, in this course, we'll start with an introduction to Xcode and Objective-C, examine the core iOS frameworks, explore advanced features, and walk through the process of shipping your app to Apple for review. Our introduction to Xcode includes how to download and install Xcode from the Mac App Store and a quick Objective-C primer for C, C#, and Java developers. Frameworks provided by Apple are the core of every iOS app, and the main one is called UIKit, and it contains the basic controls such as UI View, UI Table View, UI Navigation Controller, UI Tab Bar Controller, and UI Toolbar Controller. We'll also look into more advanced features such as Location Manager, Blocks, Multi-threading, Grand Central Dispatch, and Passbook and Passkit. We'll continue our dig into advanced features by looking into the Social API, how to access Facebook, Twitter, and Baidu from your app, the Reminders, Notifications, and Privacy APIs, persistent storage, and web services. When you go beyond the Pocket, there are features available only on the iPad, including the split view, page view, and popovers. And when you're debugging your app, there's two ways to do it. We'll explore debugging both on the iPhone and iPad simulator, which comes with Xcode, and how to set up and debug on an actual device, including a step-by-step walkthrough of how to join the iOS developer program, provision your devices, and download and install the certificates. Finally, when you're done with your app, it's time to ship it. And we'll go through the whole process of understanding how to use iTunes Connect, prepare an app for distribution, beta testing, and the final preparation you have to do to get your app in the store. And no course on iOS would be complete without an understanding of how to participate in the vibrant developer community. We'll explore the Apple Developer Forums, Stack Overflow, look at the many open source components, and also look at some commercially available components which can make your life as a developer much more fun and productive.